If you or someone you know is really passionate about getting the best sound quality from your music, then it's time to consider investing in an MP3 player. Forget about relying on your smartphone for a moment, because MP3 players are where it's at. Now, what makes an MP3 player so special? Well, unlike today's smartphones, these sleek devices come equipped with a built-in audio jack, or even multiple ones. That means you can connect your favorite headphones or speakers directly to the MP3 player and enjoy a top-notch listening experience. No more dongles or adapters needed. Another great thing about MP3 players is their expandable memory. You'll never have to worry about running out of space for your extensive music collection. Simply pop in a memory card and you're good to go. It's like having a personal jukebox right in your pocket. Our top picks not only deliver incredible sound quality, but they also support high-resolution audio files. So if you're a true audiophile, you'll be in sonic heaven. And guess what? These players have impressive battery life too, so you can enjoy your music all day long without worrying about running out of juice. And the best part, they're all compact and portable. You can easily slip them into your pocket or bag and take your music with you wherever you go. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just chilling at home, your music will always be right at your fingertips. So, if you truly care about the sound quality of your music, it's time to consider getting yourself or your loved ones an MP3 player. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. Say goodbye to mediocre audio experiences and say hello to a world of music bliss. Now, let's get started. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 5, the best portable music player under $1,000 is the FiiO M11 Plus. Starting with the pros, the FiiO M11 Plus delivers the best audio performance in its price range. The sound quality is absolutely top-notch, giving you a truly immersive music experience. Another pro is its big screen and intuitive platform. With a large 5.5 inches touchscreen, navigating through your music library and other features becomes a breeze. It's like having a mini computer dedicated to your music needs. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The FiiO M11 Plus offers an incredible set of wired and wireless connectivity features. You can connect your favorite headphones via 3 wired audio outputs, and it also supports high-resolution audio streaming over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So whether you prefer wired or wireless listening, this device has got you covered. But like any other product, there are a few cons too. The battery life could be longer. It gives you a maximum of 11.5 hours, which is decent but could be improved. So keep that in mind if you're planning long listening sessions without access to a charger. Now, let's talk about the design. The FiiO M11 Plus has a sleek and premium look with audio control buttons on the side for easy access. It also comes with plenty of storage space, starting with a 64 GB capacity that you can expand using a microSD card slot. Plus, it can even enhance the sound quality of your computer when used as a desktop DAW. And here's a neat bonus. The retail package of the FiiO M11 Plus includes a protective leather case and a glass screen protector, so you can keep your device safe and sound while enjoying your music on the go. To sum it up, if you're looking for the best portable music player under $1,000, the FiiO M11 Plus is your go-to option. With its outstanding audio performance, large screen, and a wide range of connectivity features, it's hard to beat. Just keep in mind that the battery life could be longer. At number 4, we're going to talk about the HiBy R5 Gen 2 MP3 player, our runner-up in the race for the best MP3 player out there. First off, let's talk about the pros of the HiBy R5 Gen 2. One of its standout features is its stellar audio performance. The sound quality on this device is absolutely amazing, thanks to its top-notch audio component. So if you're an audiophile looking for that ultimate music experience, this player has got you covered. Another pro of the HiBy R5 Gen 2 is its wide compatibility with various audio file formats. Whether you're into FLAC, WAV, or MP3, this player can handle them all. It's always great to have options. And let's not forget about the multiple wired outputs. This device offers you the flexibility to connect it to different audio systems with its 2.5mm, 3.5mm, and 4.4mm audio outputs. So no matter what kind of setup you have, you can easily hook up this player and enjoy your favorite tunes. Now, let's move on to the cons of the HiBy R5 Gen 2. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with built-in memory, so you'll need to invest in a microSD card to expand its storage capacity. That's a bit of a bummer, as it means some extra cost on your part. Another downside is that the R5 Gen 2 runs on a more dated version of Android compared to our top pick, the Sony Walkman. It's a few generations behind, which means you might miss out on some of the latest features and updates. That's definitely something to keep in mind if you're a tech enthusiast. Now, let's quickly go over the key specs of the HiBy R5 Gen 2. It features a microSD card slot for storage expansion, giving you the freedom to carry your entire music library with you. The battery life is pretty impressive, offering up to 35 hours of playback time in economy mode. And when it comes to wireless connectivity, you've got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth at your disposal. Lastly, let's not forget the touchscreen interface, which makes navigation a breeze. Plus, with its bundled protective case, you can keep your HiBy R5 Gen 2 safe from scratches and bumps. So, there you have it. The HiBy R5 Gen 2 MP3 player, a solid runner-up in the MP3 player market. It delivers outstanding audio performance, supports various file formats, and offers multiple wired outputs. Just keep in mind the lack of built-in memory and the older version of Android it runs on. At number 3, we're diving into the world of portable music players, and we've got something special to talk about. It's the Sony NWWM1AM2 Walkman, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Let's start with the pros. First up, this Walkman is absolutely elegant and superbly built. The metal body screams premium craftsmanship, and it's a beauty to behold. Plus, the audio performance is outstanding. The sound quality that comes out of this device is next level, giving you an immersive and detailed listening experience. And guess what? The battery life is incredible. With up to 40 hours of playback, you won't have to worry about running out of juice anytime soon. Now, let's talk about the cons. Well, some might find it a little heavy. But when you consider the exceptional features this Walkman offers, a little extra weight is a small price to pay. But what sets the Sony WM1AM2 apart from the competition? Well, for starters, it's a Sony player, so you know you're getting top-notch quality. This Walkman supports high-res audio content both in wired and wireless modes, delivering the best sound possible. It also has a sharp 5 inches touchscreen, which makes navigation a breeze. And if you prefer physical controls, don't worry. It's got intuitive button controls too. Storage won't be an issue with this Walkman. It comes with 128 gigabytes of storage, and if that's not enough, you can expand it using a microSD card. So go ahead, bring your entire music library with you wherever you go. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The Sony WM1AM2 offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, so you can easily connect to your favorite streaming services and enjoy your music wirelessly. It's all about convenience. And guess what? This Walkman runs on Android OS, which means you'll have access to every music streaming service and digital audio format out there. Talk about versatility. Coming in at number 2, we're talking about the SanDisk Clip Sport Plus MP3 Player, the perfect companion for your workout sessions. First off, let's talk about how compact and durable this little gadget is. It's designed to withstand your toughest workouts without skipping a beat. Whether you're lifting weights, doing cardio, or even sweating it out in the rain, the Clip Sport Plus has got your back. Now, one of the standout features of this MP3 player is its solid battery life. Despite its small size, it can keep the tunes playing for up to 20 hours. That means you can power through multiple workout sessions without worrying about running out of juice. But what about storage? Well, the Clip Sport Plus comes with ample memory for the price. You can store up to 32 gigabytes of your favorite songs, podcasts, or audiobooks. However, it's worth mentioning that it lacks a storage expansion slot, so keep that in mind. One of the cool things about this MP3 player is that it also doubles as an FM radio. So if you're in the mood for some live broadcasts or catching up on the latest news, you can tune in with ease. Plus, it's water resistant, so don't worry about a little sweat or rain ruining your workout vibes. And here's the cherry on top: Bluetooth connectivity. Yep, you can easily pair the Clip Sport Plus with your favorite gym headphones or earbuds. Say goodbye to tangled wires getting in the way of your exercises. Just connect and enjoy the freedom of wireless music. And did I mention that this affordable package includes a pair of earbuds? That's right, you get everything you need right out of the box. And to top it all off, SanDisk offers an excellent 2-year warranty, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Finally, coming in at number 1, we're going to talk about the best MP3 player on the market. The Sony NW306 Walkman MP3 player, the ultimate device for all your music needs. Let's dive right into the pros of this amazing gadget. First off, the audio performance is top-notch whether you're using it with wired headphones or wirelessly. You'll be blown away by the crystal clear sound and the immersive experience it provides. Plus, it has a stellar set of connectivity features, allowing you to connect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 effortlessly. But wait, there's more. The NW306 Walkman MP3 player supports all streaming services. That means you can listen to your favorite tunes from Spotify, Apple Music, or any other platform you prefer. It's like having a world of music at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about a couple of cons. Using Android apps on this player can drain the battery life faster than usual. So, if you're planning on streaming content or checking your email, be mindful that it may impact the overall battery performance. Now, let's dive into the key specs of this awesome MP3 player. It comes with 32 gigabytes of storage, which is expandable via a microSD card slot. That means you can store all your favorite albums, playlists, and podcasts without worrying about running out of space. And speaking of space, the battery life is impressive, giving you up to 36 hours of non-stop music enjoyment. In terms of connectivity, the NW306 Walkman MP3 player has got you covered. It supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring seamless pairing with your headphones or speakers. And let's not forget about the 3.6 inches HD touchscreen, which allows for easy navigation and control of your music library. And did I mention it runs on Android OS? That's right, you'll have no trouble navigating through the interface and enjoying all the features. But what really sets this MP3 player apart is its design. With a premium aluminum frame and a textured back finish, it not only looks sleek but also feels great in your hand. It's the perfect combination of style and functionality. That's all we had for today. Check out the links in the description for pricing and availability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.